Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can get or start a clan war. Please make sure that you have Clash of Clans downloaded in your computer or device or whatever it is, and then let's get into it. So first of all, you have to get at least your clan house at level 4 so you can start joining clans, and then please make sure that your clan castle is updated to fixed, because at the beginning of the game you will find it in this place broken, so you will need, I think, 100k gold. It's very easy to farm and to get, and then you will have to fix it, and after doing so you can join clans by clicking in here, for example, search for clans and join whatever by clicking on join, or by if you want to create your own clan, you can just invite people, because you can't really start a clan war by yourself. So invite your friends, create like a strong army, and after doing so you can, for example, let's just check this out. Okay, you can click on here and join league, and after doing so you can add the people that you want them to be in the clan war. I think the minimum is 5, so let's remove this and this and this. I think, yeah, oh, never mind. The minimum now it has become 50 versus 15 and 13 versus 13, so there is no other options. All right, this is a new update, so that's good to know. So you need about 15 people to start a clan war, or 13 people to start a clan war. So after doing so, like, you have, let's say that you have 50 people, let's check this, and then let's click on here, join the league, and you will be joining a league, and then after doing so you will be able to play clan wars and have fun with your friends and a lot of stuff to do together. So that was it with this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching.